Hey folks, this is Kalori. Welcome to Scrum and Agile Digest. Right, so let's start with Scrum ceremonies. So the main Scrum ceremony that happens right before start of a sprint is the backlog refinement. By backlog refinement, I mean it's the product backlog refinement that the product owner is going to do. So basically prioritize the product backlog. After that, you're going to have the sprint planning meeting with the team, the Scrum Master, the product owner might also be present, and they are going to talk about the user stories, sizing them, right? Team velocity, team capacity, and we will go into those details further as we talk more about the sprint planning. And then, of course, we have the daily Scrum meeting. It's a 15-minute meeting where basically we'll talk about what we did yesterday, what we're going to be doing today, and if there are any impediments. And it's mainly a meeting with the development team and the Scrum Master. Then we have the sprint review meeting, which is kind of demo meeting where basically we're providing demo to our stakeholders, our finished product, our minimal viable product at the end of the iteration. And then we have the sprint retrospective meeting, and what we're doing here is we are looking back at our sprint, trying to see what we did well, what we could improve, what we can do better, things like that. So these are the main Scrum meetings that we'll be doing in Scrum. Next, so what is a pre-project or kickoff meeting, right? So before we begin our project, the first thing we need to do is product backlog refinement, and this is again the product owner would be doing it, and they need to make sure all our stories are properly defined, they are prioritized for the team to consume. So the product owner and the stakeholders basically would produce a product vision, you'll have a product roadmap, and based on that you'll have a product backlog which would usually contain user stories, features, and epics. So more on the product backlog. This is actually my favorite show, The Office. So Jim Halpert here saying, "Brace yourselves, user stories are coming." And user stories. It's very important that the user stories that you write are well defined.